I'm going to share with you the simple steps to practice loving kindness meditation in your daily life, and I promise you'll feel more connected and at peace. Loving kindness meditation is a powerful practice that fosters empathy, compassion, and emotional well-being. It's an ancient tradition that originated in Buddhism, but its benefits can be experienced by anyone, regardless of their religious beliefs. By cultivating loving kindness, we can develop a greater sense of understanding, tolerance, and acceptance towards ourselves and others. This, in turn, can lead to a more harmonious and peaceful coexistence. At its core, loving kindness meditation is about cultivating a sense of kindness and compassion towards ourselves and others. It's a practice that encourages us to acknowledge our shared humanity and to recognize that we're all in this together. By doing so, we can develop a greater sense of empathy and understanding, which can have a profound impact on our relationships and overall well-being.
One of the most significant benefits of loving kindness meditation is that it can help us to develop a more positive and realistic self-image. By cultivating kindness and compassion towards ourselves, we can learn to accept ourselves as we are, rather than trying to live up to unrealistic expectations. This, in turn, can lead to greater self-acceptance, self-esteem, and emotional well-being. Incorporating loving kindness meditation into our daily lives can have a profound impact on our relationships and overall well-being. By cultivating kindness, compassion, and empathy, we can develop more meaningful connections with others and create a more harmonious and peaceful world. To start practicing loving kindness meditation, you'll need a few basic things. First, you'll need a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit and relax without distractions. You can choose a cushion on the floor, a chair, or even a meditation bench, whatever feels most comfortable for you. It's also important to keep your back straight and your body relaxed, as this will help you to stay focused and alert. Next, you'll need to find a comfortable seating position that allows you to sit for an extended period without feeling tired or uncomfortable. You can close your eyes or keep them lightly closed, focusing your attention inward. It's also a good idea to take a few deep breaths to calm your mind and relax your body. One of the most important things to remember when practicing loving kindness meditation is to approach it with an open mind. This means being willing to let go of any preconceptions or expectations and simply focus on the present moment. By doing so, you can allow yourself to fully experience the benefits of loving kindness meditation. Another important aspect of loving kindness meditation is repetition. You'll be repeating short phrases to yourself such as, "May I be well, may I be happy." These phrases are called metta, and they're designed to cultivate kindness and compassion towards yourself and others. To begin, start by focusing on your breath. Take a few deep breaths, feeling the air move in and out of your body. As you breathe, repeat the following phrase to yourself: "May I be well, may I be happy." Next, extend your wishes to a friend or loved one. Repeat the following phrase, replacing I with their name. May Mary be well, may Mary be happy. Now extend your wishes to a neutral person such as a bus driver or acquaintance. Repeat the phrase again, imagining them surrounded by kindness and compassion. As you do so, allow yourself to feel a sense of understanding and acceptance towards them. Next, extend your wishes to all beings, including those you may have difficulty with. Repeat the phrase one more time, imagining all beings surrounded by kindness and compassion. As you do so, allow yourself to feel a sense of empathy and understanding towards all living beings. As you continue to practice loving kindness meditation, you may find that your mind begins to wander. This is completely normal, and it's not a reflection of your ability to meditate. Instead, gently bring your attention back to your breath and the phrases you're repeating. Remember, the goal of loving kindness meditation isn't to achieve a specific state, but rather to cultivate kindness and compassion towards yourself and others. As you're sitting in meditation, try to create a sense of space and calm around you. Imagine yourself surrounded by a warm, comforting light, and allow yourself to feel a sense of peace and relaxation. This will help you to stay focused and present, and will allow you to fully experience the benefits of loving kindness meditation. As you begin to wrap up your meditation session, take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling and allow yourself to integrate the sense of kindness and compassion into your daily life. To enhance your meditation experience, try setting a consistent practice schedule and sticking to it. This will help you to make loving kindness meditation a habit and will allow you to experience its benefits more fully. You can also try using calming music or nature sounds to create a more peaceful atmosphere. Keeping a journal can also be a great way to track your progress and reflect on your experiences. Write down any insights or observations you have during your meditation sessions and reflect on how they're impacting your daily life. One of the biggest challenges that beginners face when practicing loving-kindness meditation is a wandering mind. This is completely normal, and it's not a reflection of your ability to meditate. Instead, try to gently bring your attention back to your breath and the phrases you're repeating. Remember, the goal of loving-kindness meditation isn't to achieve a specific state, but rather to cultivate kindness and compassion towards yourself and others. Another common challenge is difficulty feeling compassion towards certain individuals. This can be especially challenging if you're practicing loving-kindness meditation towards someone you have difficulty with. Instead of trying to force feelings of compassion, try to focus on cultivating a sense of understanding and empathy towards them. Remember, the goal of loving-kindness meditation isn't to change others, but rather to cultivate kindness and compassion towards yourself and others. In conclusion, loving-kindness meditation is a powerful practice that can help you to cultivate empathy, compassion, and emotional well-being. By following these simple steps, you can integrate loving-kindness meditation into your daily life and start experiencing its benefits for yourself. Remember, the goal of loving-kindness meditation isn't to achieve a specific state, but rather to cultivate kindness and compassion towards yourself and others. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started with loving-kindness meditation. Remember, the most important thing is to be consistent and to approach it with an open mind. Don't be too hard on yourself if you find your mind wandering. Simply bring your attention back to your breath and the phrases you're repeating. Try out loving-kindness meditation for yourself and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more mindfulness content, and I'll see you in the next video.